how to block our text message conversation contact to on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on messages app. Now here, so click on conversation. So after click on conversation, so if you want to block text message conversation, so click on this three dot icon. Now here, so click on block and report spam and click on yes. So after click on block and spam report, go back and you will see your contact and conversation is blocked. So if you want to unblock, so click on this profile icon and click on spam and blocked. So after click on spam and block, so if you want to delete conversation and contact, so click on hold on contact and click on delete. So after click on delete, you will see conversation and contact is delete. So if you want to unblock, so click on contact and click on unblock. So after click on unblock, you will see your conversation, text messages and contact is unblocked. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can block our text message conversation contact on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.